If you want to fly a drone in India, you'd probably have a lot of questions. Where to buy a drone? Where can I learn drone flying? What are the rules and regulations? What are the career options as a professional drone flyer? I'm worried I might crash my drone. Can I buy a damage insurance? Hey there, we are TropoGo. We are here to solve all your problems. Our platform is one-stop solution for all your drone needs. Want to buy a drone? Head over to Sky Store in the website. Want to know the rules? Head over to India Guide in the application. Want to learn to fly drones? Find a training school near you in the website. Want to fly drones professionally? Find jobs and projects in the application. Worried about crashing your drone? Buy drone insurance at affordable rates from the app or website. Want to find risk of drone flying? Use the Air Sherpa feature to find that out in the application. In short, TropoGo is your go-to drone platform.